which is located in Hershey, Pennsylvania. If you have park admission to go inside Hershey's Park, it's actually included in your entrance fee. So the bridge I just walked over from, it's from the park. Otherwise, other guests that only go inside the zoo can purchase a separate ticket on its own and just visit the zoo. I am going to be quiet now and let you all enjoy all these beautiful, cute animals.
Oh, this one's a snake. This one's a snake. He's right there hiding. See him? He's on the road out. And then we found the tortoise.
You want in the stroller?
There should be a sign. It's Ocelot. Ocelot. From Minecraft. You got it.
the chicken pitches line.
Oh, two more together.
Go back in the water.
Okay, no climbing.
Let's go see him. See him swimming? Yeah. He has a pool.
Wait, okay.
Is that a baby one?
No.
Look. Come on.
Squeeze right in. There's a little
Yeah, he wants his
right
friend to
there.
go
Wanna
swim.
Squeeze in and look. His friend's in. See them?
Better from over here, I think.
He wants to go see him.
Go ahead, squeeze right
One
up
of the kids
there.
want to go see him.
Can I have a picture?
Squeeze behind you.
Oh, your pictures?
Yeah.
You go.
Oh, you can see him better from over here. Look at him. Yeah, I think there's moving. Oh, what do you get? Yeah, because they're slightly different colors.
Hi. Oh, you see me? You're so cute. This zoo is kind of on a smaller size compared to a lot of other zoos that I have been, but I don't mind it. I really liked it, and I love seeing all the owls, which is one of my favorite animals. And especially if you're visiting Hershey's Park for one day, there's so many things to do. Today when I visit the park, water park isn't open yet, but if during the summer months when the water park's open, if you want to do the water park, the theme park itself, and the zoo, you wouldn't mind a small zoo because you only have so much time in a day to do everything anyway. And as usual, I know you could have done so many other things 10 minutes ago instead of clicking on my video. So I really appreciate you choosing me. And if you like my vibe, I hope that you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.